If GIMP is giving you an export error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can save your file properly and get back to editing fast. These export issues are usually caused by a missing file extension, a format mismatch, a Windows permission problem, or even a broken plugin inside GIMP. So let's fix it together, and if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. First, check the file extension carefully. GIMP often expects you to type the extension manually when you export. That means if you want a PNG, your file name should end in .png. If you want a JPEG, it should end in .jpg or .jpeg. If you leave the extension off, GIMP may not know which format you want, and that can trigger an export error. So when you click Export As, look at the file name box and make sure the path clearly ends with the format you want. Now, if your project has transparency, this part is very important. JPEG files do not support transparency, so if you try to export a transparent background as a .jpg, GIMP will flatten it and fill the transparent areas with a solid background color. If you need transparency, use PNG instead. PNG is the safest choice for transparent logos, overlays, icons, and graphics. So if the export is failing because of the format you chose, switch to PNG and try again. Next, let's fix a common Windows issue called permission denied. Sometimes Windows Defender thinks GIMP is unsafe and blocks it from saving into certain folders, especially protected locations like documents, pictures, or desktop. To fix that, search for controlled folder access in Windows. Open it, then click Allow an app through controlled folder access. From there, choose Add a permitted app, then check Recently blocked apps if GIMP appears there. If you see GIMP, allow it. This can instantly solve export errors caused by Windows security settings. If GIMP still won't export, the problem may be a broken or missing plugin. GIMP uses internal plugins to handle different file types, including PNG export. To check this, go to Help and open Procedure Browser. Then search for PNG export. If the procedure does not appear, that usually means a plugin is missing, broken, or has been quarantined by antivirus software. In that case, the export feature will not work correctly until the plugin is restored. A good next step is to reset GIMP preferences. Sometimes the application settings or file path locations get corrupted, and that can stop exports from working. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and look for the Reset option at the bottom. Resetting preferences restores the default system directory paths and can fix weird export behavior caused by damaged settings. If none of that works, the final fix is to reinstall GIMP completely. A clean reinstall can restore missing modules, damaged plugins, and broken configuration files. Before reinstalling, make sure to uninstall the program fully, then download the latest version from the official GIMP website and install it again. This is especially useful if core export modules have become corrupted. And there's one more thing to remember. For formats like PDF or GIF, you may need to flatten your layers before exporting. Some formats do not handle layered compositions the same way that GIMP projects do. If you get an export warning, flattening the image or merging visible layers may be necessary before saving. So to quickly recap, if you get a GIMP export error, first check your file extension, then make sure you're using the right format, especially if transparency is involved. After that, fix any Windows permission blocks, check for missing plugins, reset preferences, and if needed, reinstall GIMP cleanly. Follow these steps and you should be able to export your files without the error. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific export problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.